And of course, I think my little chubby bubbies are waiting on me. No, they're not. Hi, ladies. Look what I've got. I've got the sprouts. Yes, I've got the sprouts. There we go. Come on, guys. There we go. Look at that. She's got them all over her back. Look at that. Look at them babies. She's eating them. They'll pick them off each other, too. There we go. Look at that. Here, you think you need some of these? You need some of them? Hmm? You both need it? Hmm. There one up there? Huh? There you go. All right, babies. And these are my newest Silkies. Look at them. There's my boy back there. But these are my newest Silkies. Come on, babies. Come on. Come and get some. Come and get some. I think I'm up to 94 chickens, and that's without the babies. So, kind of promised my husband I would, like, other than 2 particular breeds, I would slow down. Look at them. Eat them nummies. Look at them nummies. I actually picked these out of the ones the guy had. He had several, but I wanted these because their earlobes are pretty blue. Although the rooster, he only had one. So, I just took him. Alright, I gotta give the golds their goodies.